WCVA and the County Voluntary Councils are involved in a joint strategic review looking at the future of third sector support services across Wales. We have undertaken a futures exercise looking at the trends that are going to impact on the sector, and it's really important that we hear from third sector organisations and stakeholders and partners, and I really hope that they will help inform our work and can get involved in a variety of different ways. There's going to be a series of online polls appearing on WCVA's website over the coming months. We're holding 2 sessions with and for the third sector on the 1st and the 8th of July. We're also gathering evidence, and if organisations have got data and information to share, we'd be really keen to hear from them. We're also going to be conducting a series of interviews and a roundtable discussion with stakeholders and partners. All this work is going to feed into a joint framework which will be drafted and circulated widely for consultation in the autumn. We really need to hear from third sector organisations and stakeholders and partners as regards the type of support that the third sector needs going forwards. It's really important that we hear from organisations, and all the ways to get in touch and get involved are on the WCVA website.